Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're setting up voice typing now. Confirm your mic is connected and selected in sound settings so input is captured. Once done, grant microphone permission to the browser or app. Without permission, speech won't reach the engine. Next, open the document or input field where you'll dictate and make sure your language is set correctly because the recognition model depends on it. If you're on mobile, switch to the keyboard with the microphone icon. Tap that to begin listening. Now configure settings that affect accuracy. Pick the exact language and dialect, and adjust input sensitivity or microphone boost so background noise is reduced. You'll want to run quick test phrases and speak naturally. This helps the system adapt and reveals if you need to move closer or change gain. Once you see reliable text, enable automatic punctuation or voice commands to speed up formatting. Make sure to pause briefly between complex phrases so the recognizer can segment sentences correctly. Finish by scanning the transcript for errors and using quick edits to fix misheard words. You should always proofread because homophones slip through. If speech stops appearing, toggle the mic icon off and on or restart the app to refresh the audio stream. Make sure the correct microphone remains selected in settings. If problems persist, test another browser or device and update audio drivers. This resolves many compatibility bugs. One tip: background.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.